I saw Fire.
Bye, Mom.
Bye.
Hello, annyeonghaseyo. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. I'm going to just put the camera here for a while because I am going to the supermarket, yay, because I'm so excited to buy chocolate, and also because I've just not had psych to do anything for the last I don't know how many days, right? So I wanted to like have that singing session that I see people having that is really dope. 근데 노래가 하나도 없어요. I'm just gonna go into SoundCloud and look if I can see a really nice song. 장난감을 나나나나나나. Love is feeling. I love this. I loved this song in 2014. I'm gonna do that song. Acha nifunge dirisha sitaki watu wanione. Love is feeling. 그대를 처음 본 순간 love is feeling 시간이 멈춘 듯. Yeah, you see I wore my K-drama t-shirt today. 헐. 사랑하고 원해줘. Love is my heart. Who sings such slow songs? So, how have you been? It's been a while, a really long while since I last shot any video. Oh my gosh, the road is full of butterflies. And it's just because that time I really thought like I really wanted to do travel videos, which is mainly what I like doing. But since being broke and not being able to travel or having anyone fund my travel, I shouldn't probably do the video and listen to songs because I'm getting confused. And so today I was like, oh my gosh, I woke up with so much psych because last week I was sick and now I'm better. I want to go to the hub and pick up some stuff that my mom has sent me to pick up, and this is so cool. I've never actually done a video in a car except when I was used to drive with my dad, and I guess maybe because also we were talking with him today and I miss hanging out. I usually don't like filming in Nairobi because if for example if it's gonna risk the safety of people and it's gonna be used to target people, and also if my camera is gonna be broken, that probably is one of the main reasons. But yeah, the others also apply. Sorry. So yeah, I'm just going to the shopping mall right now. So we're here, so I'm gonna pause kidogo a little and then I'm gonna come back. I couldn't film. I had to plan it, so I can't actually film inside the mall. I've shopped for a few things. Oh, kumama! I've shopped for a few things that my mom needed, and then I have left. So I'm going to buy myself chocolate. I'm super excited. When I was really small, my dad would buy my mom, I guess, flowers and chocolate, or flowers, and then he'd buy me chocolate, and I loved chocolate. And my plan is to go buy 10. This gate is not interesting, but it's usually less crowded. It's fine.
Bari yako?
Poa sana.
Naomba kuangalia.
Angalia. Inakata? Thanks. This is like my favorite place to chill. So I'm gonna go just shop for chocolate, and then we're gonna go drive home, and we're gonna eat chocolate on the balcony. So I'm so excited for that. I'm looking for parking now. Alright, I will see you when I come back. Woo! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And all of them other ones will be my day. I went and I bought all those other chocolates because I was like, I mean, there could be someone who wants it, right? But I've always been like, no, I've never gotten chocolate, and I've never been like, oh no, Cindy. So I want to be my own bae this year, right? I'm like, yes, I'm gonna be my own bae. Guy, Aki, that's a Range Rover. Guys, you know they should have like a parking for like Range Rovers. What if I scratch a Range Rover? So I'm gonna go home and eat my Be My Bae chocolates for a whole week. Capture. Oh, look at your parking mega. Oh, yeah, it's in my pockets. 주머니에 있습니다. Just. 사람이 내 뒤에 있거든. I'm just gonna stop here, not inconvenience other people, and just look for it. with this stash of things in my pocket. Champaman. It reminds me of my 8th birthday when my father took me for shopping in Uchumi Langata. Yeah. Oh, Yogi Sama. Yogi. It was on the seat. I knew. I was like, how could I have forgotten? How could I have forgotten? Oops. I was stepping on like stones over there. We're currently passing my favorite house. So this is my favorite house ever since I was a kid. It's green and it looks like this old London townhouses, you know, but it's green and has the whole kind of really big window with a balcony, and it has like 4 of them, and they're having like an event over there. But anyway, ever since I was a kid, I really loved that house, and I just wish one day, you know, as a kid I never thought like, you know, I just wished it was mine. I wished like we lived in a house like that. We moved and I now live in walking distance of that house. I walked like 10 minutes, 5 minutes, and I'm there. So yeah, it's Valentine's week and I'm super excited, and I got to try out my new shirt. I did this cute shirt. I have a Keanu Reeves shirt. I wanted a Leonardo DiCaprio shirt. I had a Shukai shirt. I have a KK shirt. It's not like KK shirt from an Asian drama called Go Squid. So Han Shang-yan used to own a company called K&K China, and I was all about that show when I was doing the t-shirt, so I got it. And then this one, now I wrote all the dramas I currently like. I haven't watched a drama in a week, and today I want to try and see if I can watch one episode of one of my favorite dramas, which is I love Touch. I'm watching Touchy. I'm watching Touch right now, and I probably have to finish City Hall, which is really dope. I'm in episode 17. It goes to 20, and then there's also but this one's on the front, like I've written even Pulshichak, Sarangi Pulshichak, and yeah. But those ones are at the back because they're the dramas I'm currently watching. But here were like the dramas that I started this journey with, you know what I mean? Like from Secret Garden, Coffee Prince, oh, 장난스러운 키스, oh, 좋다. So wait, I finally gotten home and I'm just like, and my mom's gonna be like, Aki, oh gosh, when the chocolate's crappy, she's gonna think I'm giving one to someone. Oh, little does she know, I'm gonna be unwrapping this all by myself and eating it all by myself. Hi, so this is number 1. 그래서 여기 be my bae. So, and I have a cup of rooibos tea. It's actually really good. I've never drunk rooibos tea. I've always drunk just tea, the tea we call tea, the tea tree, yeah, that tea. But rooibos is actually pretty good, especially when it has milk. I hope you can drink it with milk because that's all I've been doing. Anyway, so this being my favorite thing to eat. Honestly, no. You see this sun? It's just not going to be my friend. Okay, so let's just turn. Let me put my sandals over there. Okay, let's just turn. Yeah, there. Oh, better. So yeah, this is basically what I spend my afternoon. Sometimes I dip it in tea, but then I feel like the effect is not the same as when I eat it without the tea, so I don't dip it in tea a lot because I feel like it just all melts away and then all the goodness is gone. And then, yeah, that's the problem, it doesn't melt inside, it only melts outside. Like there's this cookies called Homeland, from Homeland Bakers in Nakuru. Oh gosh, I mean their cookies are just big. You put them in the, what is it called? You put them, I want to raise it, kidogo. I think it's really good. You see this one, when you dip it, all the chocolate on top melts instantly. And then the inside, the wafer is still really hard. That's why I don't like doing it. But the Homeland Bakers cookies, it's just like 50 bob a pack. I said when I go to Nakuru, I'm definitely going to buy myself a carton. And I will stay loyal to that promise. taste of this thing. It's just ridiculous. It's incredible. Like, this feeling is so cool because of the white, because it looks like I'm in Santorini, except during a bit of a place. Except like so hard to find. You know what? I'm just gonna sit in the sun, and I was looking at the balcony, at the sky. Look how blue it is. Looking at my rooibos tea. I guess just sitting here and being able to enjoy this with a cup of rooibos tea. It's pretty special, you know? Really special. This is so cute. Sorry, this is actually really disturbing, but it's like it's a wasp that has died, and it's like mummified in the state in which it died. It's peaceful to look at. Thank you so much for sticking around till now if you did, and I will see you next time. I hope this year I'll be doing more and more videos, and yeah, hopefully I'll get to even go to like places like Santorini, or you know. But yeah, there's a butterfly. There's a butterfly. If I can go to Santorini with a friend of mine, wow, that would be so dope. She told me she wanted to go to Santorini, and then I read all about it, and I was like, Greece, man, Greece. The trees are blowing. I was supposed to show you the wasp, wasn't I? I forgot. I'm just gonna show that to you and then finish off, because I don't have much else I'm doing. I'm just gonna chill here for a while before I go read my scripts. But let's finish the bar. Look, it melts so nicely. So like the people of the future come and they ask me, what is the sweetness of life? I'd be like, P.S. Cadbury bar, the secret. And I'd whisper it so that it's twice as cool. Alright, I'm gonna show you the wasp now.